Namaste friends, Jai Sri Ram. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. I'm a Vaastu, Astro Vaastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, switch words as well as visiting card and logo design consultant. Today's topic is about energy exchange. Why mysticism practitioner charges the energy exchange? Why there is always an energy exchange word used by the mysticism practitioners? Now, if I take you back in time, in पुराने जमाने में people used to exchange commodities. Like अगर मेरे वहाँ पे चावल ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, तो I will give चावल in return of taking गेहूं या बाजरा back. So that used to be the exchange of commodities between the two parties. Uh, that so that we call in mysticism we call energy exchange. You take one energy and you give something in return in the form of different energy. Now the whole world, whole universe basically runs on the energy. Everything has a vibration, and that's basically the energy. In today's time, we have engineers, we have doctors, lawyers, dentists, the marketing people, whatnot, service providers, product developers, uh, as well as FMCG people, and everything involves in energy. So like if I'm an engineer and I'm working in a company, I get paid, I get salary monthly. If I'm a doctor, I get my consulting fees. If I'm a lawyer, again I charge the consulting fees. So everybody, they provide the service in return, they get the uh, something in return. So similarly, the mysticism people have also invested money in learning the modalities, either tarot, Vastu, numerology, switch words, as well as visiting cards and logo design concepts. So, we are like myself, I'm an engineer. I used to work in a software company, but this mysticism subject fascinated me since my childhood, and with the personal experience, I thought of exploring this more, this subject more into detail, different subjects, numerology, vastu, switch words, as well as how visiting cards and logo can be designed as per the mysticism. And I have invested considerable amount of money in learning this modality. So being an engineer, I was into well-paid job in a multinational company, but because this field appealed me and gave me the chance to help other people, with this science. So I, doing this full time since many years now. If I am providing my consulting services, the client has to pay me in the form of energy exchange. So that's basically my fees. uh, and another concept is that when you receive something, you have to give something. So that's one of the way to balance the karma. If I don't balance the karma, then, as we all know, the karma, always hits you in future. So it's always good that you balance the karma. And one way is that when you receive some service, you basically provide the fees for that service, availing that service. And this is how, the mysticism people, the tarot card reader, healers, psychic healers, vastu consultant, numerology consultant, switch word consultant, visiting card logo design consultant, they have this energy exchange concept. And it's always better that you do the energy exchange, so that you are getting the service, whatever the services you are getting, you will get the results. And on top of that, you are not building the negative karma. I hope this helps in understanding why we charge energy exchange, why mysticism people charge energy exchange. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.